Greetings, everyone. Did you know Elon Musk recently released the news that the first human received an implant from the brain chip startup and is recovering well? The surgery is not a surprise. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, gave the company clearance in September to carry out the first trial of its implant on humans. Musk makes his statement a day after the chip was implanted that initial results show promising neuron spike detection. Today, we're going to mess up the controversial and potentially alarming developments surrounding Elon Musk's Neuralink and its implications for the future of humanity. While this may sound like a leap into the future, there are dark concerns and ethical implications that cannot be ignored. Let's explore the darker side of Neuralink and Musk's vision of merging humans with machines. Neuralink's brain-computer interface. Neuralink's brain-computer interface is a fully implantable device that can pick up signals from neurons in the brain. The device contains a chip and electrode arrays of more than 1,000 super-thin, flexible conductors that a surgical robot threads into the cerebral cortex. The implant records neural activity through 1024 electrodes distributed across 64 threads, which are key to minimizing damage during implantation and beyond. The device is powered by a small battery charged wirelessly from the outside via a compact, inductive charger that enables easy use from anywhere. Spikes are activity by neurons, which the National Institute of Health describes as cells that use electrical and chemical signals to send information around the brain and to the body. Musk did not provide further details. In follow-up tweets sent in between arguing about video games and bantering with far-right influencers, the businessman said the first Neuralink product was called telepathy. It enables control of your phone or computer, and through them almost any device, just by thinking, he wrote. Initial users will be those who have lost the use of their limbs. Imagine if Stephen Hawking could communicate faster than a speed typist or auctioneer. That is the goal. The dark side. Musk has a long history of bold promises but a spottier record of fulfilling them. In 2016, he wrongly predicted that within 2 years, it would be possible for a Tesla to drive autonomously from New York to Los Angeles. That year, he said his SpaceX rocket company would fly to Mars in 2018. It still has not. In 2017, Musk suggested Neuralink's first product would be on the market in about 4 years. While the concept of a brain-computer interface may seem like a technological marvel, the implications of such a merger between humans and machines are deeply concerning. The idea of implanting a chip into the human brain raises ethical questions about privacy, control, and the potential for misuse. It's not just about enabling individuals with disabilities, it's about the broader implications of altering the very essence of what it means to be human. Controversies and ethical dilemmas. Elon Musk's grand vision of turning humans into cyborgs has sparked intense debates about the ethical and societal repercussions of such advancements. The concerns range from the loss of individual autonomy and privacy to the potential for exploitation and control by external forces. The rapid pace at which Neuralink is pursuing these developments has also raised questions about the thoroughness of safety and ethical considerations. The human cost. Reuters reported that Neuralink was fined for violating U.S. Department of Transportation rules regarding the movement of hazardous materials. During inspections of the company's facilities in Texas and California in February 2023, investigators found the company had failed to register itself as a transporter of hazardous material, the agency's records show. They also found improper packaging of hazardous waste, including xylene, a flammable liquid that can cause headaches, dizziness, confusion, loss of muscle coordination, and, yes you heard it right, death, according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Neuralink received FDA clearance last year for its first trial to test the company's implant in humans, a critical milestone for the startup. Reuters reported in June that the company was valued at as much as $5 billion, based on private stock trades. Neuralink announced the implant trial in September. The company said during the study that a robot developed by the company would surgically place the implant's ultrafine threads that help transmit signals in participants' brains. The rush to achieve Musk's vision has led to significant ethical and safety concerns. The methods and speed with which Neuralink pursues its goals have resulted in federal investigations into the treatment of study animals and the transportation of hazardous materials. The potential human cost of this endeavor cannot be overlooked, especially when the long-term consequences are still largely unknown. I won't deny that the technological advancements made by Neuralink are undeniably impressive, but the ethical and safety implications of Elon Musk's quest to merge humans with machines are deeply troubling. The potential for loss of privacy, individual autonomy, and the risk of exploitation cannot be ignored. As we think deep into this uncharted territory, it is really scary to approach these advancements with the utmost caution and thorough consideration of their long-term impact on humanity. Well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay informed, stay vigilant, and never stop questioning the ethical boundaries of technological progress.